What is the process for getting a refund on Agoda?
Hello viewers. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic, how to get a refund on Agoda. Sometimes, travel plans change, and you may need to cancel a booking or request a refund. We will guide you through the process on Agoda. Please note that the specific details may vary depending on the terms and conditions of your booking.
Understanding Agoda's refund policy.
Before we delve into the process, it's important to understand Agoda's refund policy. Agoda's refund policies are based on the terms and conditions set by the property you booked. Some bookings are non-refundable, while others may allow cancellations with full or partial refunds.
Checking your booking details.
The first step in getting a refund is checking your booking details. Go to My Bookings in your Agoda account and check the cancellation policy for your booking. This will provide you with information about whether your booking is refundable and under what conditions.
Initiating the cancellation process.
If your booking is eligible for a refund, you can initiate the cancellation process. Here's how. 1. Sign in to your Agoda account. 2. Go to My Bookings. 3. Find the booking you wish to cancel and click on Edit Booking. 4. Follow the prompts to cancel your booking. Remember, the refund amount will depend on the booking's cancellation policy.
Contacting Agoda's customer service.
If you have any issues with the cancellation or refund process, or if your booking is non-refundable but you have extenuating circumstances, you should contact Agoda's customer service. They can provide guidance and may be able to assist you further. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of getting a refund on Agoda. Remember, each booking may have different terms and conditions, so it's important to check these details before making a cancellation or refund request. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.